What's good, y'all? So today we got side marker lights for both the front and rear from IJDMTOY. I bought them off of Amazon, but they seem like a pretty good company, and yeah, it should be a relatively simple install. The only thing you're going to really need is a flathead.
That is me after not reading the instructions, y'all. Y'all need to have a Phillips head screwdriver so that way you can go ahead and access the screw on the rear section of the car. The front's perfectly fine, but you're going to need to go ahead and above the connector, unscrew it so that way you can pop the lights out. Because if not, you're going to see later on in the video that I was kind of struggling.
The one thing you're going to have to do is you got to turn on the car, turn the wheel the opposite direction. There is 4 clips on the side fender. You're gonna move it and stick your hand underneath here and pull this thing out. For the rear, you just gotta stick your hand underneath and it should be able to pop out, pop it in. It should work. So let's see how simple this really is. I hope this phone doesn't fall. I don't know how well y'all can see this in the video, but you got these 4 screws, these plastic tabs. You just go ahead, you pop open just like that. Let's go. Alright, so the installation is actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is pop those clips like I said, put your hand in there, pull this back part in and push forward, and then it should come out this way. And once you have this little connector coming out, you want to push down on this part and get your flathead and put in between here and the black piece and get some leverage, and it should be able to pop right out. Repeat on the other side, and that should be it, and then we'll go ahead and do the rear. So this is why you read instructions. Didn't know that there's a Phillips head that you actually have to unscrew and then you pop it out. So stupid. Sometimes I wish I wasn't this stubborn. So I didn't know my phone stopped recording after 5 minutes. So you managed to plug in the thing. It actually has a cable. When you take out the stock assembly, there's gonna be a little bowl that's gonna be in there. So you want to pull out that, take out the old bowl, connect the wire into the assembly, twist it back into here, and it looks like it actually does not utilize the screw that goes in there. I take that back. Actually, it does, because I see a hole there and you gotta put the screw in. So I'm just gonna go ahead, test it out, see how the lights look. Probably put a before and after picture and see how it goes. So now we can go ahead and repeat on the other side, and it should be it. Alright, y'all, so I completely forgot to film an outro to this video, but here are the black sequential LEDs, which I'll show a quick clip of that right now. So here's the sequential LEDs. I forgot there's motion lighting in this garage. So here's the sequential lighting that comes with the thing. It's very nice. And also, the rear side marker lights. These things are the brightest lights I have on this car, so I gotta change the rest of them. So that's pretty nice looking. So anyways, oh man. Anyways, if you guys like the video, make sure you put a like in there, especially if this video helps you out in any way. If not, put down in the comments why you didn't like it and what I can improve on, and feel free to subscribe.